Hello everybody and welcome to my channel, and today we're doing this awesome recipe which is a healthy salad, super fun to make and super easy. Subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. First of all, you'll need to cut some cabbage and add it into a big bowl, some salt, and let's mix it with your hands. Now let's cut one onion into half slices and grate one carrot. Now let's cut some dill and let's add the carrots into the bowl, the dill, the onions, and one big can of corn. In another bowl, add 4 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 to 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, add 4/8 of half a tablespoon of salt, half a tablespoon of mustard, and mix it all together. Now add it into the salad, and let's mix it all together. After that, you can plate it and try it out. Super fun to make, delicious, and super easy with few ingredients. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give me a like and subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. Thank you for watching.